Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is rezwan.rono. Subscribe me for future tutorials. Today I am going to be showing you how to fix black screen problem of Sony Vegas Pro. So let's get straight into the tutorial. I was having a black screen problem. There's a lot of clips that don't work. Let me show you my video. Hey guys, what's up? This is rezwan.rono. Today I'm gonna show you how to extend the size of your C drive when your management C drive is appeared in disks. As you can see, some clips are not working because Sony Vegas Pro converts 60 fps project videos into 30 fps clip so it can be played smoothly. Let me show you the details of frame rate of my video. Right click on video and go to properties. Go to details. Frame rate of my video is 60 frames per second. So I have to convert this frame rate to 30 frames per second so it can be played smoothly. You need a second software named Adobe Media Encoder to convert the frame rate from 60 to 30 fps. It's an awesome software. If you don't have, then get it. Double click to open Adobe Media Encoder. Go to File, Add Source, add your video. Once you got that, click on here and change the frame rate from 60 to 30 and click OK and click on Convert. It is successfully converted to 30 frames per second. Let me play the video again. Go back to Sony Vegas Pro. Close it. Open Sony Vegas Pro. Go to File. Click on Open and double click to open the converted file. Click No. Play it. Hey guys, what's up? This is rezwan.rono. Today I'm gonna show you how to extend the size of your C drive when your C drive is out of space. So let's get started. Go to my computer. My Windows is installed in disk 0, so C drive is appeared in disk 0. Now right click on C drive and you can see no extension is available. Black screen problem is solved. No more black screen. My work is done. If you like my videos, make sure to comment down below and make sure to subscribe me.